Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can leverage Personaliz.ai and create personalized videos and audio campaigns easily. So once you sign up and log into the dashboard, you would see the kind of dashboard like this, and you see an option to create a first campaign. You could just click on this create campaign button and either choose video or audio campaign based on your requirement. So firstly, give a campaign name and where do you want to see send it, either email or WhatsApp. Choose the option accordingly, and then do you want any call to action button on top of this? So you can choose calendar, which we have integrated couple of them, and then or else a redirection button simply. But of course, you can extend this to an interactive video flow later. And then if it is a B2B use case, then you could actually add a background scrolling video like this, which means that the end customer's website gets scrolled automatically, and your author video will come on top of it, so that you can start your conversation in the video saying that you just recently landed onto their website and then would like to have a conversation, right? And then also you can have a name on top of this GIF. So you can enable or disable based on your need, and then just click on create. So your campaign gets created. So as a first step, you would be taking to this personalization step. In this personalization step, you would be needing to upload a particular video which you want it to be personalized. So firstly, the requirement is you have to start the video with a particular greeting word. Based on the language, we support a couple of greeting words like hello, hi for English. So say for example, you want to start with hello and a particular name of your choice, but we recommend this name, but up to you. And then followed by the general script, whatever the message that you want to convey. And then so once you are ready with that kind of a video, of course there are particular guidelines that you can follow by going through this link, and just click on this checkbox and choose the language that the video is in, and upload the media. And the very important step here is choose the greeting word and then set up the timings. So this is the crucial step. So once you open, just try to zoom in, and the first thing that you need to do is uh, set up the time that for a greeting word, for example hello, where which part of your audio the word is hello is pronounced. So typically let's the first one. So you just say this is my hello word timings. This widget will automatically pick the start event time, and try to give some silence after and before the actual word, just for a better accuracy. Okay. Similarly, followed by the name, as I mentioned. So this has to be a placeholder for the name, so that we can replace with the visitors or viewers name, uh, right? So that also you can easily set up. And then last thing is the generic media. So this would be till the end of the video, whatever that you have the generic message. So very important step here to note down is that uh, the we recommend to have end time of the greeting word should be the start time of the name word. Similarly, end time of name should be start time of the generic media, so that there won't be any cuts in the video, so that the end user experience would be seamless. So hope this is clear. This is the most important step. So just click on this update and go to the next step. So in this video, in this voice step, so you have to clone the voice of your own. So you just again go through guidelines if you want, and then just give a name of your speaker, and then choose the language that they spoken, and then the speaker age and gender and the accent, and then we recommend whatever the video that you uploaded in the previous step, you can actually that is in the personalization step, you can actually use the same here, so that the output would be seamless when we clone your voice. Otherwise, if you want to change, you can always change, but we recommend to keep the setting as it is and just click on the clone to clone your voice. And then next step is contacts, where you can easily create, add manually the contacts one by one. Just give a name to a list where all these contacts will be grouped under one list, and then you can give a unique key for this entire list while uploading, and or else you can also upload from your local machine with a simple CSV file of data. We have given some syntax also here, so you can follow and then just upload the CSV and create a list. So all this list can be added to this particular campaign here easily, and then click on the next. Then go to the generate step, where this is where the generation actually happens. So what happens is initially this table is empty, and you can search for some of the contacts that are part of this a list that are added to this campaign. Click on search and it will show what are the matched thing, and then select it and click on generate sample. So once it is clicked, it will start the generation, will be added into queue. Once this record is ready, then you would see this kind of an option where you can preview or copy the link or copy the thumbnail while emailing them, or you can regenerate if let's say you want to change some settings, some timings, or some you want to change the cloning of the voice or some parameters. Or you can always do that, and then you come here for the same contact, you can regenerate. So till the time that you are satisfied, you can repeat this process of regeneration, and once you're ready and you're satisfied, you now can just click on generate all, and you can generate for all the all the contacts that you are added to this campaign. But one important thing to note down, that if it is an ongoing campaign, for example, you because what happens is when you click on generate all, it's like a read-only mode. So you cannot go back and change any of these settings, but of course you can always copy this campaign with all the existing settings will be copied. But in case if you want to keep only the same campaign and then ongoing purpose, so you can just keep generating keep adding more contacts to this list, and then that list to be added to this campaign, and you can keep generating more and more samples manually, right? And that is completely up to you based on your requirement. If it is a typical email campaigns, water campaigns, bulk campaigns, typically you would test it for one or two campaign contacts, and then you generate for all the remaining contacts with a click of a button. And second, the last part of this campaign step is sending. So for example, based on your output channel, if it is an email, so we already have integrated with a couple of your email popular email marketing channels like this. So all you have to do is just copy this HTML code. For example, if you're using Apollo, so you go to Apollo and you must have created some sequence of emails, right? So then go to that email that you want to add it, this particular personalized thumbnail. So you have to go into the edit raw HTML mode. So just click on that HTML mode, and then wherever you want, you just copy paste. You might see this kind of a preview. Don't worry about it, because this will be completely personalized based on the input email, I mean the receiver email. So it will work seamlessly, right? So once this is sent, for example, the end user would receive email something like this as a personalized. As you can see, there's a background scroll video, and then the avatar, and then it is clickable. Once it clicks, it'll take them to a landing page video where the interaction will start, and then help them to with personalized interactive video experience, right? And then if it is a WhatsApp, then we have a WhatsApp integration where you can authenticate and then connect your business WhatsApp API account, and then from here you can directly send it once or schedule it later as well. And next is even if you want to send something, let's say manually to on your LinkedIn channels, or something on your WhatsApp, etc. So we always have a download option as well. So you can select this kind of a videos that you want to do, you want to download, and just download them into your local machine. And we have to have some more advanced settings where you could actually for example, in the design, you can literally design the way the interactive video page would appear. Say you want to change the theme, you want to edit the fonts and how this interactive video page would look like, you can literally change many of things here. And one more important step is that flow builder. Say for example, it's not the flow might not end with one video. You can actually create a seamless interactions where you can ask them a couple of questions, answer their questions. So all you have to do is just drag and drop and create a conditional flow, and then you can actually personalize the conversation, and they can have asynchronous video communication at scale. So and then you test it, and once it is satisfied, once you're satisfied, you can just click on go live to apply changes in live mode. And we do support a couple of inbuilt types like calendar, and single choice, multiple choice forms, and so on and so forth. And lastly, we do have this settings where you can customize the working model, where for example, you want to get notified when someone, one of your contacts, once the campaign starts, and send it on your email campaign, for example, when someone visited that particular interactive video page, you immediately want to get triggered. So you can select or unselect when which event you want to get notified, right? And we have similar settings here. I can simply go through, and once you start getting responses on your interactive videos, then all you have to do, you can come here and see the individual responses, or you want to only people who are expressed interest in your campaign. So you will get this kind of a tabular structure. You want to see, like, say for example, unique visitors. So these are the three people who has shown interest in this particular campaign. And we also show some analytics, so how many users visited, interacted, or interested in over a couple of time period, right? And you can manage all your media libraries here. And we have some of the utility functions here, where if you want to some edit your videos, you want to trim the videos, and so on and so forth, we have some noise removal functionality coming up here. So all the utility function you can explore here. And then obviously all your contacts can be managed, and we can manage the list easily here. And we do have a profile page where you can manage your accounts, and you want to add some custom domain where you want to change this interactive landing page video with your own domain. So you can add your own domain here, and obviously you can manage the teams easily. Yeah, I think lastly we do have a couple of plans. I think you can explore based on your volume. You can choose the right plan after your free trial. So in the free trial, we give 30 days period, as well as 60 credits, one credit per one audio message generation, two credits per one video generation. So based on that, your utility will be calculated, and then you can choose the right plan that suits for you. So, and then we have add-ons as well, where we give you one voice clone per account in all these plans. But in case if you want some add-ons, extra add-ons, so we have you can purchase the credits. You can either add more credits to based on your volume, as well as we also have a clone voice add-on. So let's say you want to clone more number of people from your sales team or etc. So you can buy this one-time clone add-on as well. So yeah, I think that's what I want to cover. So hope you understood, and then I hope you will explore more deeper now. Good luck.